Sacramento, California. We're excited to share California's capital city with you. We're about to embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Sacramento so special. From its rich history to its vibrant culture, Sacramento's got something for everyone. So buckle up and let's hit the road. First stop, the California State Capitol Museum. This architectural masterpiece will take your breath away. The intricate details, the soaring dome, it's like stepping back in time. You can almost hear the echoes of history whispering through the halls. Wander through the lush gardens surrounding the Capitol. It's the perfect place to relax and soak in the beauty of this iconic landmark. Take a guided tour, learn about California's rich past, and feel the weight of history come alive. This is one journey you won't forget. Next up, we're heading to Old Sacramento Waterfront, a place where time seems to stand still. As you stroll along the wooden sidewalks, you can almost hear the paddle steamers chugging down the Sacramento River. The aroma of freshly baked sourdough bread fills the air, tempting you to step inside one of the many charming shops and restaurants. And don't miss the chance to jump on a riverboat cruise for a unique perspective of the city. Be sure to check out the California State Railroad Museum, where you can relive the golden age of steam engines and marvel at the beautifully restored locomotives. Get ready to be inspired at the Crocker Art Museum, a true gem of Sacramento. From Californian masterpieces to European paintings that'll transport you across continents, this museum has it all. And for all you pottery lovers out there, the Crocker boasts an internationally renowned ceramics collection. You'll be amazed by the intricate details and the artistry on display. But it's not just about admiring art from afar. The Crocker offers fantastic family-friendly programs and events that'll ignite your creativity and leave you with lasting memories. Calling all animal lovers. The Sacramento Zoo is the perfect place to get up close and personal with creatures from all corners of the globe. From majestic lions to playful penguins, you'll encounter an incredible diversity of animals. But it's not just about entertainment. The Sacramento Zoo is deeply committed to conservation efforts, ensuring a brighter future for endangered species. And for the little ones, there are interactive exhibits and fun activities that'll make learning about animals an unforgettable adventure. Ready for some fresh air and stunning scenery? Then grab your bike and hit the American River Bike Trail. This 32-mile paved path winds its way along the American River, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Whether you're an avid cyclist or prefer a leisurely stroll, this trail is perfect for all fitness levels. Feel the wind in your hair as you pedal past lush parks and gentle waters. It's the perfect way to connect with nature, clear your head, and experience the beauty of Sacramento's outdoors. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 incredible experiences that'll make your trip to Sacramento unforgettable. From its historical landmarks to its vibrant art scene and natural wonders, Sacramento has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Sacramento experience today. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. We'll see you next time.